Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet these very simple granny squares with the spiral pattern. In the last video I crocheted these colored granny squares, but here I changed the colors every round. But here I will crochet together with 4 colors. How it work I show you now. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel, and let's begin. For this video I use cotton yarn. This is Katania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn, and we need matching crochet hook. If you see, this pattern goes from the lightest to the darkest colors. But if I crochet, the color order is different. This is the first color, second, third, and fourth. If I start with this color, then this one, and the last color. That show you in this video. I put the first color and start with the magic ring. And now chain 2, 1 double crochet in the ring, and in the second double crochet I change the colors, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn through 2 loops. This yarn come to the back, I put the next color, this is the lightest, and through 2 loops, chain 2, and now 2 double crochet in the ring, and 2, and in third I change the color, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn through 2 loops, now to the back. The next color is the darkest, through 2 loops, now chain 2, 2 double crochet in the ring, and in third change the color, this is the last color, through 2 loops, chain 2, and 3 double crochet in the ring, 2 and 3. With this color I finish the round and I start the next round. Now pull yarn and close the ring, and finish round, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in this second chain stitch. This is the first round. Second round, chain 2, 2 double crochet in this hole, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next hole, and 2, and in third I change the color. Now I crochet with this one, yarn over, grab yarn, now this color, through 2 loops, and again chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, two, 3, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the next hole, and in third change the color. Now this one, the lightest color, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the next hole, and in the third change the color. Now the darkest, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, and 3, chain 1, and in the last hole 3 double crochet. With this color I finish the round, and with the same color I start the next round, chain 1 and 1 single crochet in this second chain stitch. It was second round. Round 3, chain 2, 2 double crochet in the same hole, one and 2, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, and 3, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the corner, 1 and 2, and in third double crochet change the color. Now come this one, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, three, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, chain 1 and 2 double crochet in the corner, and in third change the color. Now this one, chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, chain 1, 2 double crochet in the corner, In third, change the color. Now the lightest. Chain 2, 3 double crochet in the same hole, and 3, chain 1, 3 double crochet in the next hole, and 3, chain 1, and 3 double crochet in the last hole. With this color I finish the round and start the next round. And 3, chain 1, and 1 single crochet in this second chain stitch. And it was round 3. So you can crochet so many rounds, how many you want. I crocheted 12 rounds, and now looks my granny square like this. And now I will finish the work. In the last hole, 3 double crochet, 3, now chain 2, cut yarn and pull yarn, and I will sew the last stitch here in this stitch 1, 2, 3, from the front to the back through both loops, and in this second chain stitch through the back loop from the front to the back. And now I have the same number of stitches. Sew all yarns on the back side. This is the back side. I sewing all yarns on the back side, and granny square are ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.